to the channel. Today I'm going to be sharing an older video with y'all on how to make these peanut butter Ritz cracker covered chocolate little crackers. We used them for gifts last year. We gave them to friends and family and even some co-workers. And even if you have teachers you need a present for or a little gift, these are so good. Everybody just loved them. So if you're looking for that special little sweet treat, y'all come on and join us in the kitchen, and I'm going to reshare this older video with y'all. This is our Christmas vlog we've been working on. And today is day 5. So y'all come on, pull up a chair. Let's get to making these crackers. These are special crackers. They are so tasty. So y'all come on and let's get started. Hey y'all, and welcome to our kitchen. If you're looking for a sweet treat, we're going to show you a simple appetizer today that might get you started for Christmas. Okay, for this appetizer, you're going to need some Ritz crackers, a little bit of the white chocolate, and to go in the chocolate, about a tablespoon of Crisco or some kind of oil like coconut oil, maybe a teaspoon to a tablespoon, depending on how much chocolate you're going to melt. And then you're going to need a little bit of peanut butter. I'm going to go ahead now and put me some peanut butter in this bowl, so I'll just have it out of the jar and I won't make such a big mess. Okay, we're going to start off with around that much for one sleeve of crackers. And these are Ritz crackers. You can really use any kind because you're going to be putting the chocolate on them. And chocolate will make any kind of cracker good. But this right here is a great little sweet treat to have for Christmas or any time of year. But we're going to decorate these for Christmas. Okay, I've got this little tray right here, so I'm just going to make sure I'm laying my crackers down, the front of the cracker down on my tray. And this one right here is cracked, so I'm going to actually just hang on to that one. The reason you want to do the cracker this way is because this side's smooth and that side has the little cracker indentions. And that'll probably even make the chocolate look prettier. Okay, we're going to start off with these. I'm just going to take my peanut butter and I'm just going to add probably a teaspoon of peanut butter, maybe a little bit more, to the top, the inside of the cracker. And we're just going to do every other one that way because we're going to use the other one to put on the top of the cracker to make a little sandwich. Okay, let me get all these done and we'll bring you back. These little sweet treats are something that won't cost a lot. So if you're looking for something simple and easy, and even your kids can help you with these, you won't break the bank by trying to make a dessert. A lot of things you cook nowadays call for so many ingredients, it costs too much to try to make them. So this one right here only takes 4 ingredients. Actually 5 counting my sprinkles, because we can't have these little peanut butter crackers with white chocolate without Christmas sprinkles. Okay, these two right here are broke, so we'll set them to the side. And I'm sure we'll wind up eating those. They won't go to waste, y'all. Now we're going to melt our chocolate in the microwave. And I'll show you the easiest way to break these big blocks of chocolate. Just tap it on the counter. We're going to use this glass bowl because when you're heating up chocolate, it melts better and faster in a glass dish than a plastic dish. Okay, y'all see how it broke by just tapping it? Pretty good, hard on the counter. And for just these amount of crackers, one sleeve, I'm going to start off with 3 of my blocks of chocolate. And we're going to put 1 teaspoon of good old-fashioned Crisco. Just 1 teaspoon. And now we're going to zap it in the microwave for 30 seconds and then give it a stir. While we're melting our chocolate, we'll open up our little Christmas sprinkles. Just mix it in good, and we're going to zap this for about another 30 seconds. See the little chunks still in it? You want to get it all good and melted. Okay, now our chocolate is melted good and ready. We're going to use this bowl too to dump our crackers in one at a time and coat them in the chocolate. We're just going to put them in there, coat them real good. And then we're going to put them back on our blue tray and let the chocolate dry. Put them in your chocolate and just flip them over. And it coats them pretty well. Use 2 spoons and it makes it easier to pick them up. Okay, let me get all these done and then we'll bring you back. Okay, now we've got all our little cookies dipped in the white chocolate. And now I'm just going to sprinkle them with the little Christmas sprinkles. Actually, I'm going to put them in my hand because this has got a big old hole in it for the top. That's going to come out too fast. And we're going to put just a few sprinkles on each little cookie. We'll try it this way. It's what the bottle shows, but you just got to be careful. And you've got to get them on the cookie before this chocolate starts drying, so they'll stick. Okay. Now we're going to let our cookies dry. Okay, y'all, that's what our little Ritz crackers, peanut butter, and white chocolate with sprinkles turned out to look like. And I've got to confess, there's one missing. And boy, they're delicious. I hope y'all give this a try. This simple, easy little sweet treat recipe.